How to fix ChatGPT not working easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT not working easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just open your browser, and then once you're here, just click this 3 points, click history, and now click clear browsing data and go to advanced, and here unselect all of those here and select site settings, and here select 1 day, and then click clear data. After that, right click here, go to task manager, close your browser and open it again. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix it, just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and things like that. Turn off your PC and turn it on again, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.